Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Akmakjian, jewelry expert at BriteCo Insurance. If you're getting ready for music festival season and you want your festival style to shine as bright as the stage, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing my favorite jewelry ideas for music festivals, from bold statement pieces to practical tips for keeping your jewelry safe. Whether you're headed to Coachella, Lollapalooza, or a local indie festival, let's make your festival look unforgettable. Music festivals are all about self-expression, creativity, and having fun. And what better way to show off your unique style than with eye-catching jewelry? The right pieces can elevate your outfit, help you stand out in the crowd, and even serve as conversation starters. Festival jewelry isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and comfortable while you dance the day and night away. Let's talk about what's trending in festival jewelry this year. Here are some of the hottest styles you'll see on the festival circuit. Layered necklaces. Stack dainty chains, colorful beads, and bold pendants for a boho chic look. The more layers, the better. Body chains and harnesses. These pieces drape elegantly across your torso, shoulders, adding dramatic flair to crop tops and swimwear. Chunky hoops and statement earrings. Go big and bold. Oversized hoops, neon tassels, and unique shapes are perfect for festival energy. Hand chains and stackable rings. Mix and match delicate rings on every finger, or try hand chains for a touch of glamour that's also practical. Anklets and foot jewelry. If you're rocking sandals or barefoot looks, anklets and foot chains add a playful, summery vibe. Gemstones and colorful accents. Don't be afraid to play with vibrant stones, crystals, and festival-friendly colors like turquoise, amethyst, and rainbow beads. Styling jewelry for music festivals is about balance. Here are some of my top tips. Mix metals and textures. Don't worry about matching. Festivals are the perfect place to mix gold, silver, and even rose gold. Add leather, beads, or woven elements for texture. Prioritize comfort and safety. Choose lightweight pieces that won't weigh you down or get caught on your clothes. Avoid anything too precious or irreplaceable in case it gets lost. Coordinate with your outfit. Let your jewelry complement your festival look, whether you're going full boho, retro, glam, or edgy streetwear. Layer wisely. If you're dancing or in big crowds, make sure your necklaces and bracelets aren't too long or heavy. Secure earrings with backings and double check your clasps. Festivals are fun, but they can be rough on your jewelry. Here's how to keep your pieces safe. Leave heirlooms at home. Save most of your valuable pieces for another day. Opt for trendy, affordable jewelry you won't stress over. Store smart. Use a small pouch, zippered bag, or even a pillow box to stash jewelry when you're not wearing it. That way, nothing gets tangled or lost. Keep it clean. Festivals can get dusty and sweaty, so wipe your jewelry down after a long day. Gentle soap and water usually do the trick for most materials. Insure what matters. For those pieces you truly love or that carry sentimental value, jewelry insurance is a must. BriteCo makes it easy and affordable to protect your jewelry even if you wear it everywhere, including your favorite festivals. Remember, music festivals are about having fun and expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to go bold with your jewelry choices. Try out new trends and make memories that sparkle as much as your accessories. And if you want peace of mind while you're out living your best festival life, check out BriteCo Jewelry Insurance. We offer fast, affordable coverage so you can dance, sing, and shine without the worry. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite festival jewelry trend in the comments. See you at the next one.